Today we're going to be solving an AMC 10 problem. In ABC, AB equals 6, AC equals 8, BC equals 10, and D is the midpoint of BC. What is the sum of the radii of the circles inscribed in ADB and ADC? So to solve this problem, what I'm going to do is that first, if we use Pythagorean theorem, then we notice that 6 squared plus 8 squared equals to 10 squared, meaning that ABC is a right triangle. So now here I'm going to make my right triangle. So here you have it. Now if we label the points, let's use a different color this time. A, B, C, and then D. Now if you want to label the side lengths, and this is 6, this is 8, then this is 5 and 5. Now let's make the line from A and D to solve the triangles ABD and ADC. Now what we're going to do is that first we're going to find the side length of AD. So in order to do that, we first must notice that if I separate this so that this is perpendicular and this so that this is perpendicular, then because D is the midpoint, it separates AC into two equal segments, here and here. Same for BA. So now what we know is that, well, this length must be half of 8, meaning that's 4. And this length must be half of 6, meaning it's 3. By Pythagorean theorem, you can get that AD is 5. Now, in order to find the radius, we might as well want to remember A equals RS. So S is the semiperimeter, and R is the radius of an inscribed circle, and A is, well, the area. So now, we know that the side lengths of ABD, so ABD, has side lengths 5, 5, 6, while ACD has the side lengths 5, 5, 8. Now, what we're going to do is that the semiperimeter, so if ABD is semiperimeter, well, that's just 8. So, it's just 8, that's S, and for this one, it just is 9. Now, let's move on here. So, before we move on, here we have that the area of ABD and ADC is still unknown to us. But because we separated it with this line segment and this line segment, it tells us one information. All these triangles are similar, meaning that this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, and this triangle, with the red dots in them, all of them are equal. And we know that ABD has 2 of those triangles, and ADC also has 2 of those triangles, meaning that both of the triangles have an equal area. Now, the area of a right triangle with leg lengths of 6 and 8 has an area of 24, meaning that AB and D and AD and C both have an area of 12. Now, moving on to the other side, we have that 12, the area again here, equals, so here it equals 8R for triangle ABD, and 9R for triangle ACD. Now we want to find the sum of the radius. So, by doing this, we get that we have 12 over 8 plus 12 over 9, which then yields 3 over 2 plus 4 over 3. Now, if we sum those, so we know 3 times 3, that's 9. 2 times 4, that's 8. 3 times 2, that's 6. This is equal to 17 over 6. Therefore, D is our answer. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.